Hello guys, welcome to my Microsoft Excel School Academy. This is the course for beginners and intermediate users. If you watched the previous lessons and if you liked them, please click on like and subscribe button and hit the ring bell button to get the further notifications for the lessons that will come in future. In today's lesson, we will open new topic, inserting images, objects and shapes. To insert the image, I will go now to Insert tab, and underneath the Insert tab I got Illustration section. You see here, as I mentioned, there are several different types of objects. We have images, we have shapes, we have objects, and so on. We have few options here. It depends on the version of Excel you have. Some newer versions have under the picture button, when you click on this picture, you got options for online pictures and so on. But in my version of Excel, it is separated. So when I can click here and I can select picture, find and insert pictures from a variety of online sources, or that means you can search with the Bing browser engine and get some picture from World Wide Web. If you click here, pictures, that insert pictures from your computer. If you have some picture, if you scan it or you make it or whatever. And we have insert shapes button, and under this shapes button there are a lot of shapes and variety. So in today's lesson I will talk about inserting picture from online source. And if I click here, as I mentioned, I have Bing image search, and I can type here some keyword, for example money bag. Okay, and hit the search, and okay, you see we really have the variety of pictures here, so you can choose whatever you like. I will just see some to choose. Let's see what is interesting for me. And for example, I will choose this and click on insert. Okay, we will resize this picture a little more, and for example I can put here, let's say, to resize it more. If it's maybe too small, but it's good. Okay, we can little here, and perfect. And we put this image near our title, monthly budget. So as I said, you can choose whatever you want, whatever picture you want. Just be careful when you choose pictures from the World Wide Web, if they are copyrighted and so on. And that's it for today's lesson. See you soon.